Hello, everybody. Today with you is Veronica Saban from Business Power Academy. And the topic of our conversation of today is how to elevate your transformation and to get awareness of your transformation and what to do and how to do. I want to speak so without my personal experience, because this is the most powerful when you feel that, when you experience that so personally. And someone asked me, when is gonna change my life? So this is a very interesting question, because all the people around the world, they are looking for a chance, for an opportunity to change their life, so to make more impact, especially in the coaching industry. And my answer to you is that your life is gonna change at the moment from when you are gonna start to change your attitude, your toxic habits, your behavior, and your mindset. So these are the fundamental aspects of changing your life, first of all, because if you are not gonna change all the called aspects, then your life is never gonna change. It means that before your life is gonna change, you have to elevate. So your knowledge, your attitude, your behavior to the next level. You know, if you are expected a higher quality level of life, it means that you have to invest a lot in your education. You cannot deliver if you don't educate yourself, if you don't invest in your own education. It's like a plant. It's a very easy example. And a plant needs light. A plant needs water. And a plant needs care. So we human beings, we are evaluating in the same way. And remember one thing: from the moment that you are gonna to solve the problems of another people that are looking for your message, for your voice, for your solution, from that moment is gonna change your life. Because this is the law of giving and receiving. Before you are gonna receive, you have to give. And this the key secret in all the fields that you want to evaluate. Remember this. This is the strongest key secret that you can succeed in your life. And this is in everything, because it doesn't matter. This is your relationship with your partner, or relationship with your children, or with your environment, or even your business. So I repeat it again: before you are gonna receive, you have to give. How? I have a question to you that can respond to your question. How do you build a relationship? So what does it requires from you before you get a relationship? How much energy does it cost, and time? So in a business, is the same. We have the same rules. Everything requires investments of time, energy, love, dedication, belief, and purpose. So I have called so many aspects what you as a coach, or if you want to become a coach, you have to dedicate yourself. You have to do everything with love. So you have to invest in yourself, and you should be ready to solve the problems of your people. Think a little bit. Are you a leader, a creator, or a follower? If you have a mindset of from 9 until 5 that you have worked until now for someone, and from now on you want to change your lifestyle, it means that you should to cultivate within you all the aspects that are required for an entrepreneur. So especially the mindset and leadership skills, because to change your life, you should be cultivate the ability to change the life and transform the life of another people. And it means that you need the necessary skills to can transform the life of another people. Not only that, but the flexibility to communicate and handle with the people. And you need so many things. For example, the foundation of your product and or service in general. And then you need to perform your sales skills. You need to know, so how is the market and how to position yourself in the market, and many things. So you should be aware of the fact that you have to transform. You have to go through all these transformative aspects, so which are fundamental for your success if you want to succeed. Everything what I called previously is absolutely necessary to can succeed as a coach. And if you want to distinguish yourself, then how can you distinguish yourself from another coaches? Being unique through your way to be, through your dedication, through your warmth. And how can you show this? By showing up, being consistently. So, and believe, oh my gosh, this is the most important factor if you want to succeed and make money. Just reflect on, if you don't believe in yourself, in your capacities and your knowledge, how can believe the people in you? This is a very essential factor that is gonna conditioning as well your actions. So that's why it's essential to pay attention at your thoughts, at your mood, and what are you believe at. If you don't believe in your dream, in what you want, in your transformation, it doesn't make sense to start. I think that this makes huge sense. If you truly want to make impact, if you truly want to transform lives around the globe, you have to cultivate within you So the belief in the universum, believe in God. So believe in yourself, the belief in your capabilities. And you as a leader, you should shine. You should shine like a star, like the sun on the sky, because you are a role model for the another people. Why the people should follow you? Why the people should look at you or listen at you if you are not shining? You know, I'm gonna tell you something. I have had different coaching conversations with coaches from all over the world. I have been doing research about the approach, the strategy, about the behavior of the coaches as well. And it's astonishing, you know. What I realized along the years is that the most successful coaches and speakers, these have something amazing, which is very, very beautiful. They have a big heart, first of all. Second, they have a very strong belief in their self and God as well. And through this belief, they are guiding the people to the next level. They are transforming their life. And if you are a leader, and if you want to become a leader, then you should eliminate all the negative thoughts from your mind. In the coaching industry, remember, doesn't exist judgment. So you don't have to criticize another people because you are a leader. You have to teach them. You should be a role model for them. So you should learn the feedback skills, how to give feedback instead to criticize, because the criticism is negative. You should highly develop your understandable level. What does it mean? So your flexibility, your communication skills. There are so many things that you should work at. Of course, it doesn't come in one day. It doesn't happen at once. And everything takes time. But if you really love yourself, if you really believe in yourself, so then you will make the necessary efforts to achieve the necessary level, and you will find out as well the courage that you need to show up in front of the people and being a shining star. This is the most powerful, you know what? Your personality and your skills. So by now, I want to thank you for watching this video and for being with me, and apply all my advices, and make notes and just do it. And first of all, believe in yourself, and the rest, believe me, will come. Take care. Bye.